Good morning, welcome to the HSP travel vlog. I made no video yesterday. Today is miércoles, Wednesday, and I wanted just to show you my route to the hotel where my class is, which is actually somehow connected to the diocese and the church. So I'm nervous to turn here to go over that bridge because there's some kind of one-way thing. So navigation always sends me this way. So I'm driving little Frida the Fiat. You can see that these roads were probably two-way roads in the days of the wagons, but now only one car. There, that little round sign means do not enter. And no, it means do not park, I think. This one up here, right here where I'm going to turn at the bridge, means do not enter. That round, yield, and do not enter. So here is the bridge over the Eure River. There are many of them. I'm going to show you down the river. You can see. And now I'm going to turn on this little road, which is how I get there, just kind of going around the block. And this is the name of the road, de la Planche au Cap. But when the navigation says it, always sounds like Rue de la Oxcart. And this is just sort of the city. And maybe the inner city. Plenty of people live in all these apartments, and I can tell that some of them, it seems to me that some of them have lived here for a very long time. So I just feel like I'm in France driving down these roads. And I'm having a really full week of learning and thinking and uncovering with my course. And you've seen some of the spirituality stuff that's been going on. There are a lot of kids on electric scooters and adults. I wish I could be one of them. Here's the little thing to get into the pedestrian district. You have to push a button here and ask to be allowed.
Station va être enregistrée. Veuillez patienter, un agent va vous répondre. Ville de Chartres.
Alors, bonjour.
Je vais à l'hôtellerie Saint-Yves, s'il vous plaît. You have to tell them where you're going, and then they put that thing down so you can drive into the pedestrian district. And maybe his isn't electric since he's pushing up the hill. Or maybe it is and it just can't get up the hill. So you've seen this route because I've walked it, and sorry for all the wiggling. My holder wasn't working, so I'm holding the phone in my hand, which is a little cray-cray. So, but don't worry, I'm going very slow. And here is a road. I measured this road. It's no more than 8 feet wide. And I think I showed you how to get into the parking lot, which is right there. So I'm going to stop for now and say have a good morning and do my little XYZ turn so I can get in. Have a great day. I'm going to do my best.